Meaning of half note.
Half note.
Half note.
Half note.
Half note. In music, a half note is a symbol that represents a certain duration of time. It is typically represented by a hollow oval shape with a stem. The duration of a half note is twice as long as a quarter note and half as long as a whole note. When played, it lasts for 2 beats. Half notes are commonly used in sheet music to indicate the length of a note in a melody. They are an essential component in creating rhythm and harmony in music composition. Overall, half notes play a crucial role in creating a steady beat and flow in music.